Okay, we are down to the last area. There's about, Micah, how many? About 6 or 7 rooms left in this area. So we're all gonna take different rooms. I'm actually not sure who's on what team anymore, but
I think I lost all of my minions and it's all good.
okay, but we ready to rock and roll?
All right, you guys ready?
Well,
You guys ready? Yeah, ready?
wait, you forgot the devices. Hi everyone, Craig here with Logitech. As you know, we recently introduced Logitech Spot. It's a small but powerful sensing device. So you'll put it throughout the office and you're gonna get 6 different environmental measures, things like temperature, humidity, CO2, particulate matter, VOC, and we'll also get presence detection for occupancy insights, and it'll even enable powerful workspace automation features like auto book and release. Now, when it comes to deploying them throughout the office, we made it really, really easy. In fact, we made it so easy that I've brought some friends with me today to show you just how easy it is to install. So it's good.
Hi guys, Days to Win. I actually brought my own team and we're doing way better than Craig. Watch this.
Okay, then we've got ourselves a proper competition here. You ready, Davis?
Let's go.
All right. So here's the scenario. We're at our headquarters here in San Jose, California. The office is about 86,000 square feet with about 60 rooms where we're going to be putting Spot. Now, Davis's team, which I think is going to be the losing team, is going to take this half of the office, and then my team is going to take the other half. Team responsibilities include mounting it and then pairing it. First team to complete their tasks is going to win.
This team.
First, we open the box and we grab spots and we also, this place, and open it. And then here you're gonna measure it 48 inches and taller if you want. And then you have to make sure the bubble in here is like in the middle. And then once it's perfect, you're gonna like take this out and like, oh no, it's kind of crooked. It's kind of crooked, but it's okay, whatever. I press this button and I do the code. I pick parallels, pair new device. Now I turn it on the back and I press this button for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yay! Put it back. And that was easy.
Okay, so I'm joined by a new blue team member. Welcome to the blue team, let's go! She was so impressed by how good we were doing that she decided to leave her current team and join ours. So we're gonna put it in these phone booths. Phone booths are super important for Spot because we're gonna have these all around the office. They might not have a video bar. And so now we can get all those environmental sensing parts of Spot. Plus we can get occupancy detection. We can get all that workspace automation. So go ahead and start the installation process and then we'll go from there. Now, I'll say a couple things as she's installing here. Because this booth here does not have a tap scheduler that we're pairing it with, we can actually pair our spots to a IoT gateway. So we've got a LoRaWAN gateway that's in our network room. I've actually put the serial number of Spot in here beforehand. So she's just gonna do a green pairing rather than a blue pairing when we get to the end. And it's gonna be super quick, super easy. Okay, so this time, go ahead and show it. So instead of pressing this one button on the left, or I guess, on the left-hand side, we're gonna hold the button on the right-hand side. So hold it for 10 seconds. We'll count to 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have a green blinking light, which means that it's in LoRaWAN pairing mode rather than Bluetooth pairing mode. So when you're connecting into a gateway, you can use the green button. All right, go ahead and click that in because what's gonna happen, we'll show you here in just a minute, is that now that it's in LoRaWAN pairing mode, now that I have the serial number put here in sync, it's just gonna connect to the gateway and it's gonna appear for this room in sync. Okay, so as you can see, it was an entire family affair today. Really appreciate all of our families coming out, but it was super easy. What do you think about that experience?
I actually took a nap, so it was great. Thanks, guys.
I didn't feel like you.
But the point is, if they can do it, you can do it. Spot installation is that easy. You can put it all around the office, get super important data, and also enable a lot of really important functionality for your office, right, team?
Yeah, guys, ready? Yeah! Bye, guys.
Bye.